Chapter 16 Global Musical Instruments. Koto. The koto is a traditional stringed instrument and the national musical instrument of Japan. It is usually made of wood and has 13 strings that are plucked using finger picks. Also known as kin, it produces a soothing and elegant sound, often used in classical Japanese music. The koto holds a significant place in Japanese culture and is still widely played today. Ukulele. The ukulele is a small four-stringed musical instrument that originated in Hawaii. It resembles a guitar but has a distinct, cheerful sound that makes it popular in Hawaiian music. The instrument comes in four main sizes: soprano, concert, tenor, and baritone. Its ease of play and bright tone have made it a favorite among musicians worldwide. Madal. The madal is a traditional folk percussion instrument from Nepal, primarily used to keep rhythm in folk music. It consists of a hollow wooden body with drumheads on both ends, played by hand. This instrument is an essential part of Nepalese cultural and festive music. Its deep, resonant beats create a lively and energetic atmosphere. Mandolin. The mandolin is a small, stringed musical instrument that originated in Italy and Germany. It has a rounded body and a short neck, typically played by plucking its 8 strings with a pick. The mandolin is commonly used in classical, folk, and bluegrass music. Its bright and crisp sound makes it a unique and versatile instrument. Khai. The khai is a free reed mouth organ that originated in Laos and is also popular in Thailand. It consists of 2 rows of bamboo pipes attached to a wooden wind chest, played by blowing and inhaling air. This instrument produces rich, harmonic tones and is an essential part of Lao folk music. The khai is often played in traditional festivals and ceremonies. Angklung. The angklung is a traditional musical instrument from West Java, Indonesia, made of bamboo tubes attached to a frame. When shaken, the tubes vibrate to create a melodious, rhythmic sound. It is played in groups to produce harmonious tunes in Indonesian folk music. The angklung is recognized as a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity. Santur. The santur is one of the oldest hammered string instruments, originating from Persia. Despite its name meaning 100 strings, it traditionally has 92 strings, played using small wooden mallets. This instrument is widely used in Persian, Indian, and Middle Eastern classical music. Its delicate and expressive sound makes it a favorite in instrumental compositions. Fun fact: when you can't stop humming a song for hours or sometimes days, this is called as an earworm.